Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you image enhancement process by using histogram equalization method or technique. Okay, if you have any image which is very low contrast image and where the features are not visible clearly and correctly, and if you want to extract the features manually, at that time, at this stage, the histogram equalization will be the best and suitable method to enhance, to improve your image. Okay, so here you are right now observing here in the layer panel. Look at the layer panel. There are two images. Top of the layer panel, the image shows the enhanced image which was prepared by using histogram equalization. Okay, so this is enhanced image, and where the DN value shows from 1 to 254. Okay, that means it ranges from 1, minimum value 1, to 254, which is maximum value. Okay, so if we compare between this image to the previous image, which was given image, this is the given image, which is very much a low contrast image and where the features are not visible clearly and correctly. So that's why I have applied the image enhancement process as histogram equalization. Okay, and where also the DN value ranges from 0 to 77. That means all the DN values of this previous image located within a narrow range in histogram. Okay, and this process helped to stretch the histogram and to make distribution of the DN values from 1 to 254. So all the DN values are located in the enhanced image between 1 and 254. Okay, so this is the process. So before starting the histogram equalization process in QGIS, I would like to say something about this process. So this process or this technique is basically non-linear contrast stretch function. Okay, that flattens the image histogram, maximizing the dynamic range to make obscured surface features visible. See here, if I off it, see here the image is showing a very low contrast image. Okay, where the features are not visible clearly. Okay, and this process is basically the part of pre-processing stage of the image improvement process. Okay, the process is applied to improve the contrast for visual interpretation. Okay, and so that means when to apply this process, if your image is low contrast image, if you want to extract the features from the image manually, this is the best condition, the suitable condition to use the histogram equalization to enhance contrast of the given images. Okay, so first step is I am removing the enhanced image, and I am going to show again what are the steps to follow for application of the histogram equalization to enhance the image. Okay, so first check the given image. Okay, see here the DN value ranges, but if I want to check the histogram of this image, just select it and go to properties. See here, this is the histogram, and already the histogram has been drawn here. The histogram is showing here all the DN values which are extending from 0 to 77 are located within a narrow range. Okay, so this is the histogram of the given image. Okay, now I am going to stretch this histogram from 0 to 255. Okay, so that is the process of histogram equalization. Okay, so why this histogram equalization? Because it helps to enhance the contrast of the image. Okay, and after that we will be able to identify, we will be able to extract the features very easily from the image. Okay. And one another important information about this image: the image was captured on 3rd January 1989, which was the satellite. The satellite was Landsat 4, which was the sensor. It was thematic mapper, and the path was 138 and row was 45. Okay, this is the basic information. And one another information is the image is band 2 image. Okay, image is band 2 image, right? So right now I am going to apply the histogram equalization process to enhance this particular image. So what will be the process? Okay, first go to this raster menu and then go to the option spectral raster enhancement, then go to spectral raster enhancement. Okay, click here, left click definitely. See here the options are different kinds of options are there. The first option is input raster. Okay, input raster will be the raster image which will be used for histogram equalization. Here in the layer panel, one raster is already open and that will be by default selected. Okay, this is input raster. Okay, there is no other raster, that's why the only raster has been selected here. Next step is method selection. What will be the method? The method is equalization, histogram equalization. So go to drop down and select equalization. Okay, next step is cut percentage value. What will be the suitable cut percentage value? Here 2 is the by default value, so that's why it has been already selected. But if you want to change it, you can put the values as minimum value 0 and you can put the values 50 as maximum value. Okay, and you can put the values between 0 and 50 also. Okay, what will be suitable? It will be dependent on your image. Okay, okay, so I am selecting here 2. ঠিক আছে? So don't go to any other option here, just select 2 and don't go to any other option, just go to run option. If you click on run option, the next step, the histogram process will be on, and the new image after the histogram equalization process will be opened in the layer panel. Okay, so let's see what will be happen. Just go to run option and left click here, just wait for few seconds and the new file will be generated in the layer panel. See here, task complete, then close it. If you look at the layer panel, the new enhanced image already has been opened in the layer panel. So top of the layer panel image shows the enhanced image prepared by histogram equalization. See here, the DN value ranges from 1 to 254, but in the previous image the DN value ranges from 0 to 77. Okay, that means the histogram has been stretched and all the DN values has been redistributed between 1 and 254. Okay, right now if I want to check the histogram between two images, just select it and go to properties. See here, this is the new histogram panel. Just go to histogram, select it and compute histogram. See here, this is compute histogram, this is the new histogram. All the DN values have been distributed between 1 and 254. Okay, but in the past image, the previous image, this was not the histogram. The histogram was located within a narrow range. Okay, all the DN values were distributed between that narrow range. Okay, not here. Okay, just close it and go to again, select the previous image, go to properties and see here the histogram. Okay, so you see the difference between two histogram, and compare between the two histogram. Okay, next close it. Okay, now if you want to compare between two images, okay, so between the enhanced image and the previous low contrast image. Okay, so if you off the enhanced image, see the previous low contrast image, okay, where features are not visible clearly. But in the enhanced image here, now see the features are visible clearly. Okay, that's why I have applied the histogram equalization technique to enhance the given image. Okay, so this is the process of histogram equalization in QGIS. Thank you.